Still taking off little protectors. And these little protectors make it so that by the time you get it in shipping, none of this is scratched up, which is so silly because as soon as you use it the first day, you're going to scratch it up. But I like that this is big enough, you know, enough room that you can put it on the crux of your arm like that if you want to. Or it's a nice, it's not, I wouldn't call this a rolled handle. It kind of is rolled, but it's a flat roll. But I do like it. It's got nice little, where you can see the leather comes down and wraps around. It's got nice little hardware there. Very thick. Here's the little, I love when the little feet, you sit it down. It just means it's a nice bag. I like that when you sit this down, the handles go down. It's got a nice big thick pull. I mean, Dooney and Bourke purses are very good, high quality purses.
And the contrast stitching is really fun looking, isn't it?
The contrast stitching is. Now, I'm having a real problem with this zipper, y'all. And it can't be returned. Oh my gosh, y'all. You know what it is? I feel it. It's the tissue paper inside.
Got caught.
It's caught. I feel like I'm doing a surgery. That's what it is. I got it to work. Oh my gosh, that could have like tore that purse up if I didn't do that just right. But I am a surgeon, or I'm like a surgeon. Look at all the papers.
Wasn't that a song? A Madonna song
Lance,
or something?
hush.
Oh.
No, not like a surgeon.
Oh.
Anyway, y'all please, I'm so sorry. I'm so embarrassed sometimes some things he says. Here's the handle. We'll look at it in a minute. We'll see the color. Okay, inside, look, you have your Dooney and Bourke dust bag. Now what I do, rather than put it in there, I put the stuffing back in the bag. Why? Because I'm going to put this inside the purse to keep the shape, and then I put it in a sealed unit, which is like a china cabinet, so that it doesn't get dust on it, but I can see it. Because if I put it in this, I don't know which is which, especially if I have more than one coach or want more than one Dooney or whatever. And I will take this bottom piece really should go in the bottom because it's shaped just for the bottom. See how that's shaped? And I'll put that in the very bottom. I'll do that later. But that's what you do. You put the bottom piece in the bottom, and then you put the other pieces on, and then you pull it tight and stuff it back down in there. Okay, so let's look down in here. Always be careful that when you get one of these, you take it to a toilet and you break it open, because these are to keep away moisture. But if a dog or a child eats this, or if it gets out in the trash in the wild and something eats this, it will kill it because it'll drop all the moisture of the stomach. Very, very dangerous. But they do that to keep you from, you know, to keep it from getting moldy. So, I mean, it makes sense. Alright, so it has one of these long straps, and it's got a little trim on it of the melon color, I'm sorry, the coral color. This is for your car keys. Why does that matter? Because a lot of times you lose your car keys. But if you just reach for that and pull it up, your car keys will be on there. So, I guess you could use that, your car keys for that. I mean, that for your car keys, or you could put something else in here, maybe a lip gloss. But I just like that it's got two little pockets right here for you to use. And inside, it's got this beautiful contrasting blue and white stripe. It's like a twill, like a canvas twill. And it's got a, its genuine leather trim. Lining is 100% cotton, domed satchel. So there's your little things. And what's this? I believe this is probably to register it for warranty registration number, so it's got that in there. But you do have to fill that out along with the receipt. I don't know if y'all can see this. They're getting to where they're trying to prove their validity as well as all the luxury brands. So it's got this zipper pocket. Then it's got another little pocket. Again, you could put your little wallet right in there. I have a little card case that I'll probably put that in. But look right here with your little validity piece. There is my number. I don't know if y'all can see that. Made in the Philippines. I hope they do it responsibly. And then there's two pockets. This was one pocket, and they kind of off center sew it down one side so you can put pens or sunglasses in there, and then something else right there. And then it's just a big open area. So this is a fantastic purse. I have to tell y'all, I really like it. It's very lightweight. Again, all this is genuine leather, even though that looks, it almost looks like plastic, doesn't it? But it's imprinted leather to look like a basket weave. That's to give it a real summery look. It's a really good size. I'll hold it next to my face so you can kind of see the size of it. It's a good medium-sized purse. It's medium to large, but I'd say it's a medium purse. And, oh, it doesn't have the little plastic over the Dooney. Did I already take that off or something? No. Because I didn't even know I had this. I just found it. Anyway, I think it's going to, it'll be very pretty to use, a very crisp. This book would look beautiful with blue jeans, like a blue jean skirt and a taupe top or a white top. And some turquoise jewelry. Just something to make the coral color really pop. Obviously, this lipstick, this look looks really good with it. So this would be a good summer look. Oh, I didn't never show y'all this because I haven't seen it. I haven't opened it. It's just, this is the strap. And it feels like it's substantial because those loops to hold it are, you don't ever want to loop, hook onto something that is a loop on a purse that it was not made for that. Like if you just hook it on either side, it can tear that purse right up. A purse that has a shoulder strap on it should have a strong loop on either end of the purse made for that shoulder strap. This is very, very long, I'm feeling like. So this will be a good crossbody bag. It's got it's got the buckle up to there, so about 4 more inches shorter if I want to. Oh, and here, that's good, because I was going to say, that's really long. Y'all, it's really long. Super duper long. So what I would do is hook it here. And see, that's a really substantial piece of hardware. And hook it on the other side. And I really need to look online and see what else can you do with this, because I can tell because it is, look how long, oh my gosh, y'all, that would be like almost behind my booty. Yeah, it definitely would. It definitely would. I have a funny feeling this is a bag where you could use these same straps for a really tall person or a large person, but when you're small, and when I say small, I mean petite, meaning short. You don't want something super long because it just makes you look even shorter. You want little shorter pieces. So what you would do is go on the shortest strap. But I almost sense there's something you can do here. Like maybe, yeah, that's going to be so long. I think what you can do is put this one through that one. And so it just makes it where you can, that's very, very versatile. Yeah, I think that is it. I think you could literally, and sometimes the Louis Vuittons do this too. See how that piece? You can take this middle piece off if you want. Look. Hold on. Because the way they've done this, they put the opposing piece on the other side. So you can use this, if you're little enough, you can use it for a belt. But you can put these two together and make a shorter strap. Look there. Looky there, y'all. Even a tiny shoulder strap. I'm not going to go that short. That's too short. Let's go to about right here. Is that right for me? Maybe one more. I like that you've got this as a variable. I mean, that's what, it just shows a lot of craftsmanship and caring that you know, that you have options. Is that what I just did, literally? I think it is. I need to go to the second hole. So, there we go. Actually, it's the third hole. Yep. And it still leaves plenty of room. It's also got one of these to make sure that it holds the little end piece so it's not flapping around. Just little details like that, y'all, make it so nice. Again, you could turn this around and flap it, put this down in there, I bet. I bet that is one of the options. I don't want to. I might misshape it. I like having handles too. Actually, that looks like you could, no, you can't snap that off. That's built on there. That's hardware. But it looks like you could literally, if you wanted to really work it, you could flip this around down in there and not have handles. I don't want to do that. But they also do flip down so that they're not sticking straight up. I will more than likely leave it to where I have the handles and be able to have this. Wow, what a great bag, y'all. They did also have this in tan and black. And that would be a good year-round color. But I have a lot of black. I have plenty of purses. It's just this is so versatile and it's such a great size. But this is a great spring-summer color for neutrals like linen color, beige color, blue jean. You can wear this with black, black and white, or black and blue jean. I mean white and blue jean. You could wear this with like a really pretty magenta or a royal green. You could do so much with this color. I would use solids. Then again, I don't know if you had like a white and green you know, those big leaves on a caftan or something like that. This would be beautiful with that. It's just a good accent color purse. Really, really good. I like it. One of the things you can do with this extra piece, you can put it in a drawer, or you can put it in the bottom of the purse to make sure that you don't lose it. Either one. Or, take that back. What would y'all do? Put it in your dust bag. So anyway, that's all that I have today. Actually, I had a lot today. I think that's all. Did I just run over again? See, when I don't have my glasses on, I can't see that far. Y'all too far away from me. I think I didn't. I don't think I went too far. Oh, I didn't do mascara. Let's put on some mascara. I got a minute. If it runs out, which it often does, then y'all, it ran out. I'm just going to hold this a second. While I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and get some mascara. Let's try something I don't know. What's this? Katie Cat Eve Hydrofuge. Okay. I think that's Katy Perry's waterproof. And who's this made by? Who's the brand? Who's the brand? Procter & Gamble. Very Black Hydrofuge implies that it's... Oh, it's CoverGirl. I didn't know Procter & Gamble made CoverGirl. I feel like this all dried out. Can't be that old. I don't want to... Right, tipping it out. Let's just go ahead and... It's a very weird little brush. Very weird. Let's just tip out the ends towards the ear, this towards the nose, and this straight up. It's a very weird brush, y'all. I don't know. There we go. It's one pass. So you can see the difference. What do y'all think? Do you like it? I'll probably do 2 passes. Y'all know me. But that's it. Again, that's Katy Cat Eye from CoverGirl. And I think this has probably been out a while. But anyway, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm just going to keep doing my makeup.